Okay, in this clip I'll show you another variation of table riffle shuffle, and this time will be with bridge ending. For first, let me show you how it looks. Well, it looks like this. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to do that. But before I start, I must tell you that you need to learn to make table riffle shuffle basically, and I will put a link from my previous video in the description. If you haven't watched it, watch it and then return to this video. Okay, you start with the table riffle shuffle basically, but when you start to shuffle, I mean don't shuffle full, put them like this. Okay, here you see. Okay, now you start to font the cards like a bridge, like this. And when you are ready, you remove your thumbs from the bottom of the deck and you are ready. I hope I've helped you, and that was all for me. See you soon. Remove your thumbs.